In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best espresso machines. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best espresso machines. Number 5. KitchenAid KF8. The KitchenAid KF8 brings both style and substance to your coffee routine. With over 40 recipe options, you can enjoy everything from a classic espresso to a frothy cappuccino or even personalized plant-based creations. Its automatic milk attachment makes silky froth effortless, while the dual drink delivery system adds convenience for households. The removable bean hopper lets you easily switch blends, and the Clean Me indicator ensures smooth operation. Built with durable metal-clad construction, this machine promises years of reliable service. For anyone seeking versatility, ease of use, and long-lasting performance, the KitchenAid KF8 is a fantastic choice. Number 4. Philips 5500. The Philips 5500 delivers cafe-quality drinks with unbeatable convenience. With 20 hot and iced coffee recipes, it's perfect for variety lovers who want espresso one day and iced cappuccino the next. The Latte Go system froths silky milk in seconds and is the easiest milk system to clean, with just 2 parts. Quick start means no waiting, while Silent Brew reduces machine noise by 40%, making it ideal for quiet mornings. With customizable strength, aroma, and 2 user profiles, every cup feels tailor-made. Add the Aqua Clean filter that lasts up to 5,000 cups without descaling, and you've got effortless excellence at home. Number 3. DeLonghi Dinamica Plus. The DeLonghi Dinamica Plus brings a world of coffee varieties straight to your kitchen. With over 24 one-touch recipes, including lattes, cappuccinos, flat whites, and even iced coffee, it's built for adventurous coffee lovers. The integrated burr grinder with 13 settings ensures fresh grounds every time, while Latte Crema technology froths milk and alternatives into rich, creamy foam. The 3.5-inch color touchscreen makes navigation effortless, and Smart One Touch remembers your favorites for quick access. With up to 4 personalized profiles, the whole family can enjoy their own cafe-style drinks. Easy cleaning and world-class versatility make this machine hard to beat. Number 2. Breville Barista Touch Impress. The Breville Barista Touch Impress is designed for those who want barista-level control with guided simplicity. Its intelligent dosing, assisted tamping, and real-time feedback ensure perfect espresso pucks every time, while the thermojet heating system powers up in just 3 seconds. The Auto Steam Wand creates silky microfoam for stunning latte art, and Auto Mill Q adapts to both dairy and plant-based options with precision. With 30 grind settings and a sleek touchscreen offering up to 8 customizable presets, this machine balances professional quality with user-friendly design. It's the perfect blend of convenience and craftsmanship for home coffee lovers. Number 1. Jura Z10. At the top spot, the Jura Z10 is the ultimate espresso machine for coffee connoisseurs. With 32 specialties, it's the first machine to perfect both hot and cold brew drinks at the touch of a button. Its product-recognizing grinder adjusts instantly for each recipe, while advanced brewing technologies like pulse extraction and cold extraction unlock unmatched flavor and aroma. The intuitive touchscreen, optional AI, and Wi-Fi connectivity through the JOE app make it smart and effortless to use. Built with Swiss precision, the Z10 isn't just an espresso machine, it's a masterpiece that redefines what's possible in home coffee brewing. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best espresso machines. Each one offers something special, whether it's variety, speed, or true barista-level control. There's a perfect fit for every coffee lover. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.